Okay, everyone, let's continue looking at Module 26105-23, Introduction to the National Electric Code in the NCCER 11th edition. This will be Section 2.00, Navigating the NEC. Navigating the NEC. The NEC is organized into chapters, articles, parts, and sections. There are 9 chapters, numbered 1 through 9. NEC chapters 1 through 8 are divided into articles, which are numbered. The first number of an article is the chapter number. Each article is divided into parts, which are numbered with a Roman numeral. Each part is divided into sections, which are numbered using the article number, a period, and then the section number. Subsections are identified using letters and numbers. NEC rules are mandatory or permissive. Mandatory rules contain shall or shall not and must be obeyed. NEC also contains exceptions, informational notes, tables, exhibits, figures, examples, and revision symbols. Using the NEC, NEC Section 90.5 covers information about mandatory and permissive rules and explanatory material. 95.A is mandatory rules, 95.5B is permissive rules, and 90.5C is explanatory material. NEC Article 100 contains definitions for all terms. NEC Article 110 provides the general requirements for electrical installations. NEC Section 110.12 requires that all electrical equipment be installed in a professional and skillful manner. NEC Chapter 2 discusses wiring design and protection. NEC Chapter 3 lists the rules on wiring methods and materials which depend on the type of building construction, the type of occupancy, the location of the wiring in the building, the type of atmosphere in the building or the surrounding area, and mechanical factors. Exploring NEC Chapter 4, Equipment for General Use. NEC Chapter 4 lists the rules for using and installing equipment for general use, includes cords, cables, wires, receptacles, switches, and electrical appliances. Exploring NEC Chapter 5, Special Occupancies. NEC Chapter 5 covers special occupancy, areas where sparks or heat generated by electrical equipment may cause an explosion or fire. There are 3 classes of hazardous locations and 2 divisions. Exploring NEC Chapter 6, Special Equipment. NEC Chapter 6 provides the requirements for equipment not covered in other chapters. Exploring NEC Chapter 7, Special Conditions. NEC Chapter 7 covers the installation of emergency and legally required standby systems. It also covers fire alarms and other equipment and systems not categorized by the NEC. Exploring NEC Chapter 8, Communication Systems. NEC Chapter 8 is a special category for wiring associated with electronic communication systems. Exploring NEC Chapter 9, Tables. NEC Chapter 9 contains detailed tables along with explanatory notes. Exploring Information Annexes A through K. Informative Annexes A through K provide informational material and examples that you will find helpful to apply NEC requirements. How to find specific installation requirements. Steps to locate information for a specific installation. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with NEC Articles 90, 100, and 110. This will help you to understand the material in the NEC and the definitions of the terms. Step 2. Open the table of contents at the beginning of the NEC. Step 3, locate the chapter that focuses on the category you need. Step 4, find the article about your specific application. Step 5, go to the page indicated. Each application will begin with a bold heading. Steps to determine the spacing between clamps when installing type SE cable or service entrance cable on the side of a house, for an example. Step 1, we open the NEC table of contents and follow down the list until you find the appropriate category, such as NEC Article 230, Services. Alternatively, use the index at the end of the NEC. Go to the page where the article begins. Locate NEC Section 230.51, Mounting Straps. Locate subsection A, Service Entrance Cables. Steps to determine rules for installing lighting track. Step 1, look up the definition of the lighting track in Article 100. Step 2, use the NEC table of contents to find the correct chapter in NEC Chapter 4. Equipment for general use covers track lighting. Locate the correct article that covers luminators, lamp holders, and lamps. Step 4, locate the part with NEC Article 410 that deals with specific application. Refer to the part there for lighting track. How to find rules for lighting track continued. Steps to determine lighting track can be located behind a curtain. Go to the page listed. Read NEC Section 410.150. Note that Section 410.150C, locations not permitted, states that lighting track cannot be installed where concealed. Step 7, look up the term concealed in NEC Article 100. The track lighting is not considered concealed behind a curtain. And some trade terms for you to look over for this session. And some review questions for this session. Information on calculating branch circuits that can be found in NEC Article 110, NEC Article 220, NEC Article 342, or NEC Article 404. And that would be NEC Article 220. Where in NEC Article 406 can you find information on installing receptacles in damp locations or wet locations? NEC Article Section 406.3, Section 406.9, 406.5, or 406.12. That would be 406.9. All right, everyone, that was it for that section. The next section will be reviewing for the module for the test. We'll do that in the classroom. I'll see you there.